In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer assets from Robinhood to your Fidelity account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Fidelity account like you normally would. Then please go to the top menu and press over here where it says transfer. Afterwards, scroll down until you see this section that says transfer an account to Fidelity. Afterwards, it is then going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this button that says start a transfer. Keep in mind that this is a TOA and basically a transfer of assets. It's when you transfer all or parts of an account from one financial firm to another firm without selling any of your holdings. So you want to go ahead and select over here where it says start a transfer. And then afterwards, it is going to give you a bunch of options. And one of these options is going to be Robinhood. So here's Robinhood right over here. So you just want to go ahead and select on it. Then you want to press over here where it says next. And then more importantly, you want to enter in your Robinhood account number. So you need to enter the 9-digit or 12-digit account number, not the ACH or spending account number. And you need to select on the type right over here. So obviously Robinhood has multiple different accounts. So you need to go ahead and select on it, then press on next. And then afterwards, you're able to go ahead and initiate the transition. You're able to select what assets you want to transfer over to Fidelity. But keep in mind that you're going to need to verify that it is actually you. So it might make you do some phone number verification where it sends a SMS message to your phone. So be sure to have your phone on standby and make sure you're ready to receive a code so that you're able to verify that it is actually you who wants to make the transfer. But afterwards, you should be good to go. Thankfully, Fidelity is pretty intuitive. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.